WordPress has been a staple in the website building world for years, but is it still the best option out there? Today we're diving into what makes WordPress tick and whether it's worth your time and money in 2023. WordPress is a powerful content management system that allows users to create and manage websites with relative ease. It offers a vast array of themes and plugins, making it highly customizable for different needs, from blogs to e-commerce sites. The user interface is straightforward, which is great for beginners, but there's a learning curve when you start diving into more advanced features. One of the standout aspects is the community support. There are countless tutorials, forums, and resources available to help you navigate any issues. However, while the flexibility is a huge plus, it can also be overwhelming. For someone just starting out, the sheer volume of options might feel daunting. Additionally, the performance can vary based on hosting providers and the number of plugins used. It's worth noting that while WordPress is free to use, premium themes and plugins can add up quickly, leading to potential hidden costs down the line. When it comes to pros, WordPress shines with its flexibility and the sheer number of themes and plugins available. It's perfect for anyone looking to create a unique website. Plus, the community support is a big advantage. You're rarely left in the dark if you hit a snag. On the flip side, one of the significant drawbacks is security. WordPress sites can be vulnerable if not properly maintained, especially with outdated plugins. The learning curve can also be steep for newcomers who may feel overwhelmed by the options. Pricing is another concern. While the base platform is free, the costs can quickly escalate with premium features and hosting fees. Ultimately, while it suits a wide range of users, those looking for a simple no-fuss solution might want to explore other alternatives. In conclusion, WordPress is still a strong contender in the website building arena, especially for those looking for flexibility and customization. However, if you're after something straightforward and easy to manage, you might find better options elsewhere. It's worth trying, but be prepared for a bit of a learning curve and potential costs.